Today we will learn how to create an ETDS return 24Q using Census HRM Thread software. Creating salary processing and income tax returns is crucial for any user. However, in Census HRM Thread software, it's just a few-step task. There are certain requirements and processes involved in generating an ETDS return. These are the requirements. Firstly, you should have Census HRM Thread software. It could be on-premises or online, either option is viable. For on-premises, ensure your version is up to date. The NSDL version should be updated in your system. Java Runtime Environment (JRE), ensure this JRE is on your system before creating a FVU file. These are the process to complete your ETDS return filing. Verify your database. Verify your salary for the same quarter. Add the challan details. Create an XML file. Download the utility file. Generate and download the CSI file. And then extract utility and browse XML and CSI file to create FVU and 27A. Let's start generating the FVU file from Census HRM Thread software. In Admin Login, at the top left corner select Company Setup, click on Company Master, and at drop-down select TAN Registration. Here you can verify all TAN registration details with your TAN registration file. The entire details are available on this screen as per your TAN registration. Details like TAN name, TAN number, PAN number, etc. Once all the details are updated, let's proceed to the second step. Enter the challan in the software. Select Income Tax. At the drop-down select Assessment Year, select your TAN registration name, and then click on the Set as Active button and click on Challan. If you want to generate an ETDS return for the fourth quarter, enter challan details for January, February, and March. We have already added the details, so we'll select that. To generate a challan, copy the amount, paste it here, and click on Distribute. After distributing the amount, fill in the rate of deposit. Select your bank BSR code and ensure this BSR code, rate of deposit, challan amount, and challan serial number match those in your challan file. Once done, click on the Update button. Sometimes, you may also need to fill in some interest amount as a penalty. If you want to include interest in your quarterly return, put the amount in the interest column. We are adding 1000 rupees here. Click on Quarterly Allocate Breakup, adjust for the fourth quarter, enter the amount, close, and then update again. This is the process to add a challan in Census HRM Thread software. Next, generate the XML file and ETDS return validation utility from Census HRM Thread software. Select Income Tax. At drop-down select Assessment Year, select your TAN registration name, and then click on the Set as Active button again, and then click on Quarterly Return. In Quarterly Return, you can see the details as per TAN registration showing on the screen, and you can select your quarter from this drop-down menu. Suppose you want to generate an ETDS return for the fourth quarter, then select Quarter 4, January to March. To show all employees, tick on Show All Employees box. The system will select all employees from the same assessment year in this ETDS return. Click on Save File, Submit Employees, and click the OK button. Wait for some time while the system generates your XML file and ETDS return validation utility. Both files will appear, and you need to right-click on the first XML file, click on Save Link as, select the folder, and save it. Repeat for the return validation utility, click on Save Link as, select the folder, and save it. As you can see, the folder is ready: TDS Return Validation Utility and Quarterly Returns XML file. For the CSI file, go to the Income Tax website, click on Home, and choose Download CSI file. Enter your TAN number and mobile number to receive an OTP. Click on the Continue button and wait for the OTP. After receiving the OTP, click on the Continue button to download the CSI file again, and click on the Continue button. Here, select the payment dates to download the Challan Status Inquiry file. After selecting the period, click on the Download Challan File button. After downloading this file, extract the utility file that you had downloaded previously. Then open the extracted folder and select the A-Return application. Then double-click on the A-Return software application to generate your FVU file. Select the XML file. Enter the FVU file name. Make sure the file name does not exceed more than 8 characters and don't use special characters and spaces in file names. Then select the CSI file and click the Proceed button. Wait for the successful validation message. After successful validation, this file will be automatically saved to Drive C at the Census TDS folder. Make sure not to open that FVU file before submitting it to the NSDL Center. If the validation utility does not generate the FVU file automatically, use the standalone utility for manual validation. For a standalone utility, go to the extracted utility folder which was previously downloaded and click on it. Select TXT file, then select CSI file and then select the path where you want to save FVU file and then click on the Validate button. Here you can see your file validation is successful. Please check out the description. We have attached some helpful files for you. Thank you for attending this session. We hope this tutorial helps you generate the ETDS return for 24Q. Please subscribe to Census Technologies for more tutorials and updates.